Kwawere kod weche mag siasa en ni duolo ma ochung'ne mwandu mag lowo mano ero Kenya Minerals Board koro kwayo piny owacho ma pacho kaendi mondo ochak onono malong'o chike go eko mag Mining Act manyalo konyo jokuny mwandu kowuok e lowo e pacho kaendi. Jakom mar board no ero migosi Stephen Kuria owacho ni sekta mar mwandu go eko kelo omenda maheo bilion 4.5 ne piny owacho ma pacho kaendi. Gino ero ma bende miyo onego piny owacho sire lwedo motegno. Kuria holo swebo ma Kisumu e kinde ma bende ne itego jokuny mwandu mag lowo e pacho kaendi.
Mercury is toxic, it's harmful. And it's not just when we use it in gold mining that it becomes a problem. But you see, in gold mining, as much as someone is handling the gold, the mercury to amalgamate the gold, if it is not well taken care of, it can leach into the waters, it can poison the people directly, and it can also harm our economy. Because the moment we pollute our water sources, and now that we all know that our gold mining is along Lake Victoria, our main source of fish, if we pollute that, we will lose the international market because no one would want to take poisoned fish. And I think that is why, for us, streamlining and phasing out mercury is a priority because it touches on all sectors of economy. Within the Mining Act of 2016, there's a provision to have county artisanal committees that will be recommending for issuance of licenses and also renewal of permits for artisanal and small-scale gold mining. The Ministry of Mining has really put in some effort and has gazetted a number of artisanal committees at the counties. We have across the country, we have Kakamega, Vihiga, Migori gazetted, Taita Taveta has also been gazetted, and Turkana. And now, through the Ministry of Mining, the regional officers have submitted the gazettement of Narok. And I'm happy to report that I think I was with Mr. Njeru to make sure that Narok was able to put up a committee. The committee goes a long way to make sure that we can actualize the Mining Act of 2016. And part of what we are doing today is to share with them